Of course, it's an air show. They throw stuff at us.
Oh, yeah, Brent Hendy's puffing some smoke now, too. I think they're challenging each other to a race.
Hey, you're right. Hey, that's Bill Brock and Smoke and Thunder jet car.
Here they go. Oh, my gosh. This is a drag race aviation style, folks. It looks like Brent Hendy is in the lead decidedly as he takes off. He side slips into the wind, and you're getting a look at the top side of the airplane, and Bill says no contest.
Well, you know why? Because Brent Handy smoked them all the way down here. You need to be able to see where you're going when you're about to go 300 miles an hour, and that's what that jet car will do, 300 miles an hour.
77, they have a link there to a live cockpit feed. You can choose either between Smoke and Thunder or Brent Handy, and the pit special on the race is on. It looks to me like Brent Handy has decided to go front once again, and there goes Bill right at the last minute.
Called it. Called it.
Ekes out a win. And he is spinning towards the ground. There's one turn. This is the flat inverted spin, folks. He's upside down, floating down towards the ground as he spins, just like one of those helicopter seat pods coming from a maple tree. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 turns, going for 7. Now 8. Let's see how many he's going to get out of that one. He's going to stop it right there and let the heavy end point down. Put your hands together as we welcome Brent Hendy for his second performance here at the 2015 Abbotsford International Airshow. Born and raised in small town Ontario, so small they forgot to name it. His family has 0 aircraft background, but Brent Hendy earned a glider and private pilot license through an Air Cadet Scholarship. Look at him go as he rolls down the shore, goes back on the stick. Watch for the tail slide. He goes straight up, and just before he runs out of airspeed, he will cut the power and let the airplane slip back down through its own slipstream. Right about there, the gravity takes over, and he lines himself up for the show line to set up for his next maneuver. Brent Hendy has a commercial multi-IFR float and glider ratings. He graduated from Sioux College's aviation program and enrolled directly in the Royal Canadian Air Force as a pilot in 1999. Watch for the centrifuge as he comes up at center stage, up on that 45-degree line. He'll roll the airplane to the left, and now he'll stop it right about there, and outside step rolls the airplane, using the torque of the engine to spin him around in what he calls the centrifuge. Again, go to his Twitter page, at Brent Hendy 77, and look for the link that takes you to the live cockpit feed of today's performance. The key of a good airshow pilot is that he keeps the performance in front of us the entire time, using that half-minute turnaround so you get him back into the show box and a couple of rolls their way and back on the stick. Let's see what Brent's going to do next in the Pietsch S2B. This is called the Avalanche Loop. It is a great big barnstormer's loop with a snap roll on the top. Brent Hendy enjoyed an excellent career in the military as a military pilot. He generated over 4,000 hours in high-performance military aircraft. He served with the 409 Tactical Fighter Squadron in Cold Lake, Alberta, flying the CF-18 Hornet. He's qualified as an A2 flight instructor on the Harvard 2 and the Hawk, and flew as snowbird number 9 in the 2012-2013 airshow season. Straight up at center stage, he is going to perform for us what he calls the torque roll. He starts by using the ailerons to get the airplane to roll right there against the moon up there in the sky. Now the torque of the engine turns over as he turns it into a helicopter. He's going to hang there for just a second before gravity takes over. The heavy end points down. What do you think of Brent Hendy so far? In order to prepare for his airshow career, Brent has spent a lot of time, a number of weeks, training with the legendary Wayne Handley in California. Wayne Handley, of course, performed in this airshow for many years, way back in the late 90s. Rolling the Pietsch S2B down past the 45-degree line, and then getting it turned around to the performance. hesitation roll. Now you can use a hammerhead to get turned around. You can use a half Cuban 8 to get turned around. With this one, Brent is going to use the drop kick. It's kind of like a half Cuban 8, but he throws a big step roll there on the 45-degree down line. Here's what he calls the Lopsiava. Czechoslovakian for headache. And watch closely, you'll see why he probably bumps his head against the canopy a couple of times as he spins around in that incredible maneuver. Brent, of course, applies all of his professional military training to everything he does in the airshow industry, including flying this aircraft. He's supported here today by his teammate, Wade Bowman, a crucial part of this airshow business. They've been friends since boot camp in 1999. Wade is a former Royal Canadian Air Force Aurora pilot and currently flies the Boeing 737 for Canadian North Airlines based in Edmonton. Here is the very slow roll. Using all of the control surfaces, including the ailerons, those are the little flaps on the tips of the wings, the elevators, that's on the horizontal stabilizer that helps the airplane go up and down, as well as the rudder, which is on the vertical fin on the tail feathers. Look at him as he just kind of floats right there. He's going to wait there. He's going to hold it and then start to roll the airplane as he comes back down the backside. Brent would like to thank his sponsors, including Crystal Glass, Aero Recip Canada, Canadian Propeller, and Provincial Airways, based in Moose Jaw, Saskatchewan. Rolling the airplane on that vertical. Calls this the spiraling tower. Brent first appeared here at the Abbotsford Airshow last year. He was at the 500-foot hard deck for his ACE program, and now he has graduated and is a full surface, down to the surface airshow pilot, and doing such a fantastic job for us. There's another snap roll. He does not like to stay straight and level for very long. Here is the rolling 360-degree turn. What it is a full 360-degree circle around the field, all the while rolling the airplane 360 degrees. It's an incredibly difficult maneuver to perform. One of the keys to this maneuver is to exit the maneuver at exactly the same altitude as he started. Now, because of safety rules here at the air show, he doesn't want to direct any energy towards the craft, so he'll stop it through 180 degrees at that turn, and then just hang upside down, shove the skit forward, feeling all those negative G-forces trying to whip him out of the cockpit. It's a very uncomfortable feeling. Just imagine a great big vice grip on your head, and it's squeezing really, really tight. He'll unwind the airplane, rolling as he comes down the backside. Now you see the single hammerhead. Now let's look for the double hammerhead as he goes straight up. Oh, it's so good to see that blue sky. We're looking at the bottom side of the airplane. He's going to let it run out of airspeed, kick in that left rudder. There's one, and there's two. The double hammerhead in the Pietsch S2B. Not every aircraft can do that. But with the skill of a pilot like Brent, you can coax an airplane to do almost anything. Take a look off to our left. Brent is setting up for the photo pass. Great opportunity to get a picture of this beautiful red and white airplane from the left. Oh, he's having fun. What a great way to spend a Sunday morning, hey Roy? He's absolutely. Great job today. He throws the smoke on again. I think we're going to get a little extra out of Brent Handy today.
Oh, hold on. What do we got going on here?
What's going on?
Brent, we have a aircraft just intruded the airspace. Copy? I have no idea. Yellow aircraft that has just intruded into the Abbotsford Airshow airspace. Who are you?
Hello, how's it going down there?
Well, it's going great till you got here. Who are you?
Chuck Dramamine.
Chuck Dramamine. Dramamine. Where do I know that from?
The prison.
The prison? What do you mean? Well, how'd you get out?
Well, I'm not on payroll.
On payroll? All right. Well, you know what? You intruded the airspace here. This is what's called restricted airspace with that airplane. You need to land that thing now.
A little restricted in here too, and I'm trying to land it, but I didn't know how to apply it. I built her, but I read the book on that. Not so good, I guess.
Oh, I guess not. Well, you were able to build it, but you don't know how to fly it. Well, okay, you know, you're doing a great job right there. Okay, just pull back on the throttle. Perfect. Hey, watch it, watch it, watch it.
Uh-oh.
What was that?
That was a wing dinger.
All right. Oh, my goodness. All right, you know what? We have people here from Transport Canada who want to talk to you, so you need to land that aircraft on the runway right now.
Dave Dixon, I don't want to talk to him.
Why not? He's a nice guy.
Maybe you're going to come in mad at me.
We're all mad at you. Okay, you know what? You might have built that aircraft in prison, might have got out of the Mascot Institution, but you need to land it now. Oh, no, come on, pull on, Chuck.
Oh, I think I just did.
Okay, you. Hey, what are you doing? Okay, pull back on the stick, okay? Just pull, there you go, good job. Pull back, no, back.
I'm getting the book out. You're not teaching me much. I don't need you right now. I got my own book.
What book?
My directions.
What, you're reading a book on how to fly?
Yeah, I'm kind of busy right now with doing that. Yeah, I got it out there. I got it. Page 3.
Okay, well, whoa, okay, now, oh, I thought you had it there. Okay, what's page 3?
Rudder pedals.
Yeah, those are the pedals are on the floor there, okay? Yeah, that's good. You're pushing them side to side, but you're pushing them a little too much, okay? See how the airplane yaws back and forth? Yeah, not so much, please.
I think I was like my gas pedal and my brake pedal.
No, that is not the gas pedal and brake pedal. That's the rudder pedals, okay? The gas is that knob on the left side of the cabin, right by your left hand. Yeah, and then you have the control yoke in front of you. Push down, you go push forward, you go down, pull back, you go up. Left, you turn left, right, you turn right. Okay, good job. Hey, I think you almost had it.
Oh, my God.
Oh, no, you're okay, push forward. There you go. Okay, no. Too much. Oh, what was that?
Yeah.
Was that a tire?
I think it was my wheel.
That's really bad.
A wheel problem.
All right, well, it's a good thing you have a couple more wheels on that thing. What are you doing now? You're what? Texting. Don't fly and text.
Wait a minute. Okay, I got that text down. That was a good one.
Yeah, I can imagine. I'm flying. Look at me.
Okay, I'm a little busy right now.
What do you mean you're a little busy?
Paperwork.
No, now's not the time to do paperwork, okay?
Oh, it's very important paperwork.
No, you fill out the journey log and all that stuff when you're on the ground safely back in the hangar, not while you're flying.
On a journey, but I gotta do the paperwork. Leave me alone.
No, I'm not going to leave you alone. You need to land that airplane. Forget. Okay, what's that? Oh, ew.
I've got kind of paperwork.
That. Oh, yuck.
I get it back.
No, you don't. No, you don't. Hey, pretty good. You just cut the paperwork in half.
Here's you, buddy.
I saw that. Okay, you know what, Chuck? You need to put that airplane on the ground. You need to do it now. You're disrupting this incredible air show. He just cut it again.
You better tell me how to put it on the ground, because I didn't, my butt's going away, and you got help?
Okay, this is what you do. You're over controlling the airplane, okay? Don't push the rudder pedal so much and don't move that control stick that much, okay? Just settle down, take a deep breath, and stay away from the raspberry patch.
It's for you to say.
Yeah, it is. I'm on the ground. Okay, see that runway in front of you, that 9,000-foot piece of asphalt there? It's 200 feet wide. Lots of room to put the airplane down, all right?
All right.
Okay, good job. Okay, you're not anywhere near the runway. But you know that spoke is good too, or the taxiway. Good job. Hey, you're doing great. Okay, just back on the throttle now. Just, there you go. Perfect, perfect, perfect. There, you're on the ground. Way to go. Okay, now there's a switch in front of you that says turn engine off. Flip that switch. The switch that says engine, turn it to off. Do it now. Okay, you're getting towards the crowd. See that guy in front of you? Aim for him.
Oh, yeah.
Why not?
Oh, man.